This was called Not Reading from a Chair. I don't want to read my poem sitting on a chair. For poetry belongs to a time before chairs, before tablecloths and tables that was there, always there. It should be easy, this poem making, just pluck the words out, tear them from the air. For the words are there, always there. Breathed by those others that breathed before. In the time of whale song and sea, river and night, not the carpet of the fluorescent light is the space for poetry, but the space between foot and earth, the magnetic line between groin and ground, the marrow stuff of the spine, that is the space. The face beneath the mask, beneath the face, that is the space. The time of leaf and stone, the time of wind and water song, the time of leaf and stone, the time of wind and water song, the voice in the desert singing to the burning bush. That is the time, the place, the space, the voice I want to speak. Poem.